The second key area is reducing hallucinations, a term many of you might already be familiar with. Generative AI sometimes generates responses that sound convincing but are actually inaccurate or not based on real facts. Even when asked specific questions, it may provide answers that are simply wrong. In the past couple of years, with the rise of tools like ChatGPT, many techniques have been developed to reduce these hallucinations. So what's the most effective way to prevent this? Grounding AI responses in trusted internal data, like your company's documents, databases, and other reliable sources. But how exactly do we achieve that? It depends on the issue. Sometimes the problem lies in the search process. Witty AI might struggle with understanding technical terms or recognizing the context of your data. On the other hand, issues with response generation can occur if the data is fragmented or the AI lacks the necessary accuracy in your specific domain. The causes of hallucinations can vary greatly depending on your business, data structure, or the specific technical terms used. That's why there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Understanding the root cause in your context is crucial, and from there you can apply the right techniques to fix it. Today we won't cover all of them due to time, but I'd like to highlight one key issue that's especially relevant to manufacturing: the use of specialized terminology. Manufacturing companies often use industry-specific or even internal terms. When these terms are misunderstood by the AI, it can result in incorrect or irrelevant responses. For instance, take the term CPK. If you ask the AI, "What's the ideal CPK value?" it may assume you're referring to a medical term, like creatine phosphokinase. But in a manufacturing context, CPK means Process Capability Index, so you'll receive an answer of no information found. What can we do? One approach is to have the AI pause before answering, and first check whether the input contains specialized terms. If it detects a term like CPK, it then refers to a technical term database to confirm the correct meaning. This database could be structured as an internal glossary, a lookup table, or even just a file. It depends on your setup. So the AI can confirm that CPK stands for Process Capability Index. With that context, it's now able to search your internal data correctly and generate a response that's accurate and aligned with your business use.